Be welcome again to EVICE Auto, and once again in this video we are about to do a headlight restoration with one of these cheap Chinese head restoration kits. You can find this in Amazon. They cost you about 15 euros or $15, okay? And today we are gonna try to restore these headlights from a Mercedes, alright? There's some damage there, okay? So I'm gonna try to make the video as quick as possible. Now, these two kits are almost identical. The difference is that on the left this is meant to use with a drill, okay? This is the one I'm gonna use in this video. I've got the drill here already prepared. Now, if you don't have a drill, you need to do also the polish by hand, okay? But in both cases, the one I recommend to use is this one, because you can grab this with the hand and also do the polish by hand, okay? I don't recommend doing the polishing by hand. So, also in the kit there are some explanation about the pieces that come in the kit. So you have the sand disc, 800, 1200 and 2000 grams, the wool polishing disc, here's you add it, the white sponge to apply the UV protectant, the polish paste, okay, it seems that it's huge but it's almost empty, okay, the UV protectant liquids, these two, the masking tape. Alright, I already masked the headlight, and you see this tape is quite horrible. And the important part, the baker pad thread adapter to the drill, okay? Now on the back you've got the instructions. This is a 3-step process: sanding, polishing and protection. You have all the instructions here when I'm gonna do it, and it's very important you follow this instruction, especially when protecting, because it's very important. Do not use this UV headlight protectant under the sunlight, okay? And if you want the instructions in another languages, English, Spanish, French, German and Italian as well. So without further ado, let's start sanding the headlights. Let's go. Alright, we are moving into step 2, okay, with the drill, the polishing path and the compound, okay? Now, what it says, the instruction says, okay, polishing. Attach the wool polish disc to the baker pad and apply the polish paste. Polish the lens until shine is restored to its original condition. Note, for the best results, use an electric buffer or polisher. If polishing by hand, polishing with no less than 200 circular strokes clockwise. So we are going to use the drill, we are not worried about that. So let's put some paste into the path. Let's go. Step 3, protection. Clean the headlight lens and make sure that lens is dry before continuing this step. Make sure that the headlight is not under sunlight, very important. Using the white sponge, this provided in the kit, evenly apply a layer of protective liquid on the surface of the lens. Allow the protective liquid to sit and dry for 15 minutes, then allow the liquid to cure in direct sunlight for 1 to 2 hours. last but not least, the UV protected liquid. Okay, I don't trust very much in these liquids because you see the quality is not there. So if you don't take the precautions, you see the headlights could be turning yellowish. Okay, so that's why I'm taking advantage that the sun is down now, and I apply with this little sponge. I mean, to be honest, the finish has been changed a little bit, so you have to be very careful when apply it. That's it. So we arrived to the conclusion whether I recommend or not to buy this product, this kit, for 15 euros. Yes, I do recommend it because it's very handful to have the discs and also the adapter for the drill. Okay, now I prefer to complement these kits with professional pads and professional polish as well, but as I said, it's very handy. So if you want to pass any vehicle check and if you want to make your headlights looking good for 15 euros, I don't think you can find anything better than this. Here are the results, and then you can compare these results against my other video. Let me know your doubts, your problems, your questions in the description below, in the comment section. Okay, and if you want to send me some emails, some pictures, info@eviceauto.com is my email. We finish here the video, and stay tuned because we are continue doing some detailing videos here in EVICE Auto channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.